just gotta get that piece to pop in there and slide it rest of the way in. Looks pretty sweet. The only thing I can really complain is that sometimes it doesn't go all the way back in. You have to push it a little bit, but if you open it all the way and slam it, it doesn't go quite all the way back in. You know, it's popped in there and everything good. But for whatever reason, that does stick out just a little bit. Not a huge deal, but just figured it's something I want to share with everybody. Other than that, looks great. Really get rid of that chrome look that Meso wants to get rid of, all black, so it's clean.